You're listening to W.I.N.G. Bird Call Radio. I'm Luckl-Duckl Bird. This broadcast is brought to you by Kitty Be Gone, the spray to keep those pesky cats away. Today's episode of Stud Puffins has been canceled due to an unfortunate exploding cigar prank gone awry. The puffins puffed and poofed. So now, we'll be traveling back to the 1960s as our own Fowl Owl presents an episode of the classic sci-fi radio series, Starling Space Defenders.
Well, I was thinking we recreate the show and act it out on the air.
I'm sorry, Fowl Owl, but the boss said this way's cheaper.
It's time to return to deep space aboard the spaceship Talon with the fledgling fleet on another episode of Starling Space Defenders. When we last left our heroes, they were being chased by the devious Meow-Meow Squadron.
Nebuloso, why? Can't we escape them?
We're locked in their tractor beam, Captain Starling.
First mate Starfire, status on an escape plan.
The kitty Stargazer has their lasers set on our boosters.
Captain Starling, wake up!
First mate Starfire, our boosters have been hit!
Nebuloso, shield up!
Ooh! I'm in a dream of Starling Space Defenders, and I'm the captain! Oh, goody! Dr. Trader, prepare us for warp speed!
But Captain, the boosters do not have the power source to act as an electron and move from a lower energy orbit to a higher energy orbit around the atom's nucleus.
The blimp landed what now? Boosters have been hit, so we can't go fast. Oh!
Sun Flat 99, what's the fastest route out of this galaxy? But it's informative! It's gonna be a bumpy ride!
Holy cow. The Milky Way.
Captain Starling, this is Lieutenant Quasar. Why haven't you stopped that kitty Stargazer? If the Meow-Meow Squadron reach the Spoonbill system, they'll invade and destroy our planet.
Yes, well, you see,
What was that?
I have the hiccups. Hiccup! Gotta go, love you, bye! Coward.
Section 12 has an oxygen leak from the blast! Relief Chicken 79 to Sector 12!
Relief Chicken 79 from Sector 12!
We lost 79! City Relief Chicken 88!
Relief Chicken 88!
We lost 88! City Relief Chicken 104! City Relief Chicken 105! Incoming message from the Meow-Meow Squadron!
It's the cat commander of the kitty Stargazer.
I don't speak extraterrestrial! Lucky for you, I do!
Of course you do.
They're gonna hit our ship with Nebuchadnezzar!
What's that?
That's catnip, sir. Quick! We have to avoid the catnip! Quick! We have to avoid the catnip!
What happened? Where did the cat go?
The stories are true. It's the legendary SPACETOPOUS.
Guess you spaced out, Fowl Owl? Come on, Koo Foo's gotta do the evening news.
Right. Mr. Chicker, I have the perfect solution. I was cleaning out the studio booth.
Well, that's his idea.
Well, he was a janitor. Yeah.
Starling Space Defenders. Now, we could...
play an old episode to fill the slot. That's perfect.
Well, no. I was thinking we could recreate the show and act it out on the air.
My way is cheaper.
Let me make it to my double dots. Triple dots.
His ellipses.
I will smack you in your ellipses.
Here we go. That's my bad.
Oh,